Changing your bank account on VictorOps is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is updated correctly. Step 1. Login. Access your VictorOps account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the Profile menu or dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment or Billing section. This is where you can manage your bank account details. Step 4. Update bank account details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new bank account details, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new information is recorded. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account information on VictorOps will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.